Yo, look what you just found. Bruh! A bulb in there.
How do you get that out?
And there's already a bulb in there. How does that get in there?
I don't know, bro.
What the? Alright, it's coming. Alright. Put the jack down. Oh yeah. Feels good on my wrists. Oh shit, the car is shaking.
Oh no. What do we do?
Okay, we're good. Alright, now pull the jack out.
Okay, pull it out?
Yeah. Slowly.
Oh! No!
Alright, yeah, just take it out. Oh, it smacked the ground so hard.
I'm sorry, Joe.
No, that'll be good. Now we just pull it out of there. Alright, so trans is out. Fluids everywhere. Looks like a murder scene, crime scene right there. Oh, Joseph, look at this motor mount.
Oh my god, he got a map.
Oh! So done for. What's up, fool? How you been?
Hey, my new air freshener.
Oh yeah, you have some? Let me buy some off of you.
Oh, not right now.
Oh shit.
Work?
No.
That don't look like suspension work.
We just took it out right now.
That's so nasty. Everywhere.
Yeah, trans.
We have to wet center the car down.
Dirty hands, boy. No, we're just gonna clean the crap out of this engine. Make it spray. Is it on spray? Oh yeah, it is. Alright, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna go set up the pressure washer.
So it needs more love and care.
Yeah, look at all that grime. It's gonna be removed. I am so wet.
Me too.
Look at me. I am wet right now. Alright, so new trans over here, old trans over there. Just gonna take her over. Old motor mount, new motor mount. We're gonna replace it. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh, you missed. Alright, careful, that's gonna fall right. Alright, this might end badly. Using my impact tool to drain the oil. Okay, that's all it needs actually. Or the
white van.
Oh,
that is black as hell.
I changed the oil in it like a week ago.
What does that mean?
That means that no one ever changed the oil. It is so black. So I got this car 2 weeks ago and I changed the oil in it and it was like chocolate. This is the oil that I just changed out and it's already like black.
Bruh, do we need to do a flush in the engine?
I just did one right now. This is 20W50 oil.
That's why.
Alright, I'm just gonna impact the drain plug.
Oh god.
That's all it needs. got the new oil pan gasket in. I already cleaned up the layer underneath, so yeah, fire and a wire brush kind of helps. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. It might cause leaks. Who cares? I'm replacing it. Oil pan to engine bolts, 104 inch-pounds. So. Good angle of this, so I'm gonna have to do it from below. Torque converter is ready. Oh, this is a perfect angle actually. You could see that the torque converter is lined up right with the bell housing of the transmission. Nice. Alright, most challenging part by far is getting the trans to mate with the motor, so please don't fall, baby. Oh, oh. No. Ugh. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, it's right there. I'm so close, baby. Let's do it right now. Oh, okay. I got one dowel pin in. Okay. See that? That dowel pin is in right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, can I get a bolt in? Where are the bolts at? Oh, that way you could pivot off of it. Oh. I'm not going to use the bolt to pull the transmission in, don't worry. Oh. I'm gonna go under the car again and make sure. Oh, it's in. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, the bolts are threading in. Yes, son. 2 jacks and an engine holder. Man. So both dowel pins on the front here and on the back of the motor. Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh, it's together. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's together. Oh my god. There it is. There it is. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm so excited. This was a lot of work. Okay, I'm gonna tighten everything up right now so I can hold the trans together. Ooh, baby. Yes, Mom. Where do I go in? Okay, tell Dad not to lock the garage door, please. Okay. Yes, Mom.
I did it, guys. I did it. Look at that. Oh, yeah.